So today I want to talk to you about the very devastating feeling of feeling defeated. It is a fact that life offers so many challenges, so many obstacles on a daily basis. And, when you wake up in the morning, there's no inkling of the obstacles and difficulties and things that's going to go wrong in your day. Because it's not something that you envisage. It's not even something that you want for yourself. But, oh my, it never happens the way you think. And there was once a guy called Murphy. Oh, and did he stir in our lives, old Murphy's Law. So, what happens when you feel defeated? You feel defeated when you know what is happening here is really not something that I would wish for my life. It's not something that I would even want to experience. And it's just incessant. It happens and it happens and it happens, and one thing after the other, and then it's this and then it's that, and then this goes wrong and then that goes wrong, and it just feels so overwhelming. And then eventually you just feel, what's the use? It doesn't matter what I do, I can't do anything right. Doesn't matter what I attempt, it's just not working. Doesn't matter what I say, it's just not being heard. Doesn't matter how much energy I put into it, I just continuously feel like it's failing. And then you feel defeated. And when you feel defeated, you feel so hopeless, so powerless, and so completely drained of energy. So the next time this feeling of defeated comes up, don't think about all the things that's not happening the way it should. No one is exempt of that. That's the journey through life. We all get presented with all these challenges. Life is continuously testing us to see if we are able, if we are capable, if we are willing. What can you do to stop this energy from defeating you? Who are you? What do you represent in this world? What is your contribution on a daily basis? Are you one of those people who just go out of their way to make sure that everybody else fails? Or are you one of those people who always contribute in a way that makes things better for everyone?